Hi everyone, this is Hannah and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm really excited for today's video because today will be my first ever unboxing. Yes, you guys. So I received a package from Organic Skin Japan and sobrang excited na ako to see what they got me. So I will not keep you guys waiting any longer. Let's go! Hey guys, what up? So, tada! Eto na siya, you guys. So just a quick background about Organic Skin Japan. It's a skincare line from Japan that uses all natural ingredients for their product. So go ahead and check out their Instagram page, which is Organic Skin JP, para makita nyo guys kung ano pa yung mga ibang products nila. Let's go! I'm so excited to see what they got me. So let's open this baby. So ayan siya, you guys. So they also sent me a card. Hey Hannah, it's a big thanks from us. We're sending over this skincare set we have especially picked out just for you. Okay, so we're so excited to know what you think about these organic skin goodies. Make sure to tag us and use the hashtags #OrganicSkinJP, #CelebrateSkin. Okay, so ayan you guys. Thank you so much, Organic Skin JP. So, yan. So, let's see. Wow, ang dami. They also have a writing over here. Hey there, discover the new and improved skincare line of Organic Skin. New look, same great brand you love. You will fall in love with the all-natural Organic Skin's new and advanced formulation that gives your skin a healthy, radiant glow as it whitens and moisturizes, leaving skin feeling soft, silky, and smooth. #see the difference. #organic beauty, #organic experience. Alright, so you can also go ahead and check out Organic Skin Japan on their Facebook page, Organic Skin JP, and on Instagram @OrganicSkinJP. So, ayan. So, here it is, you guys. Can you see it? Ang dami. They sent me so many skincare products. I know I already have a lot of skincare products, but as long as it's good for my skin, I'm in. Yes! My gosh! Ooh, caption. Okay, so let's make isa-isa the products. So, let's go. First off, they got me a lotion. So this is the 4 times intensive whitening lotion. Whitens, moisturize, glowing, and protect. Okay, so ayan. All natural, no harmful chemicals.
Nagulat ako guys kasi hindi ko in-expect na ganun kadami yung papadala nila. I'm so happy talaga. Thank you so much, Organic Skin Japan.
Ang bango. Smells so good. Sayang hindi nyo maamoy. Bango niya, guys. So next up is the 4 times intensive whitening facial cleanser. Bango niya din. I won't be able to try this right now because it is a facial cleanser, but make sure to check out my stories because I will try this out. Next naman is the face cream. Face cream sunscreen with SPF 30. So, let's try this. So, let's try these. Bango. It's not sticky or oily. I like it. It says in all of the products that it's all natural and no harmful chemicals used. So that's a big yes for me. They also got me a serum. Okay. So guys, next naman is a bar. So, yun. Complete talaga guys. So, for intensive whitening bar soap. So, ayan siya you guys. The Organic Skin Japan bar soap. Next up is a facial scrub. I'm so overwhelmed with the things they sent me, so I really can't wait to try them one by one. Okay, so this is the facial scrub. This facial scrub is with deep cleaning microbeads. Okay, so ayan siya. Yun siya you guys. So I will not make kuha the product kasi it's a facial scrub. Okay, so I will use this one later, so make sure to check out my stories. Next up is 4 times intensive whitening toner. Okay, so it whitens, clarifies, refines, and restores. So ayan. Best results direction after cleansing, gently wipe over your face and neck. Results may be seen in 2 to 3 weeks, may vary depending on skin type. And lastly, we have the Organic Skin 4 times intensive whitening whip soap. Whip. Okay, so ayan. Okay, so it whitens, exfoliates, for glowing and restores. Okay, so this is it, the Organic Skin whip soap, and it has this net bag, which I am assuming na ilalagay mo yung soap dyan, tsaka ito ganon, and rub mo siya sa face mo as you normally do with your regular soaps. Okay, so those were the products that were sent to me by Organic Skin Japan. Thank you so much, Organic Skin Japan, for sending over these products. I can't wait to try them out. That's it you guys for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any other suggestions on what videos I should be doing next, feel free to comment down in the comment section below, and also don't forget to like and subscribe. So thank you very much you guys for watching. Stay safe, God bless, and have a good day. Mwah!